people, you see her, and you see her face. See her face?
Foodie.
Food face.
Me a foodie.
Food face.
Me a foodie. And me a claim me. Me a foodie. And me a claim me. Me a...
Alright. Easy. Don't abuse it.
Me a foodie. And me a claim me. Yeah, show me tire for. Aye.
I'm going to carry it for them.
What's up, guys? You cut off your head, Fabio? Yeah, cut off your head. Okay. Me a foodie, and me a clear me. Let's show you the plate now. What we having? We're having. Oh, look at that.
I see him doing it.
No, we need for all it the toast. I can't take it.
By the time you done show plate and then we'll
Alright, so we are having callaloo with plantain, bread, pear, and a piece of overnight fried dumpling. If you're Jamaican, this is all wheat overnight fried dumpling. If you're Jamaican, you know overnight fried dumpling is delicious. So that's what we're having today. And I'm having some coffee.
You know, I mash up my food meal and I only talking.
All right. So this is a pear. We don't see this very often here. We normally get avocado, which tastes like pear too. We are Jamaica.
And maybe avocado that name too.
I think avocado them call it here, but this is actually Jamaican pear. This is how Jamaican pear look. And then the avocado is some like a baby looking pear, but when you cut it, it's the same thing. I think they call this pear here too. I think so. I go check out. I go back at the supermarket. But this is how we have lunch or brunch.
A breakfast, but choose the shame for the hours when she make breakfast, so I call it brunch.
I make breakfast late on a Sunday. I'm gonna get up late. I get up at 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. Depends on how early I go to bed.
It depends on when you wake up, what you do in the morning.
You two mix up, you know. So, that's it. But you know when Max eat, Max don't really like talk too much.
I like that part too, so when you eat.
Alright, so I'm gonna take it out.
I'm gonna mash up the food.
So when you mash up the food? That my say? Okay.
Mash up the food.
Oh, just I get what you are saying. So what people do nowadays,
You know.
you can't say you eat no more. It's ridiculous. This is ridiculous. This tastes good enough. Not true. And the best one this me eat from I come up here. You know taste good to you? Oh my god. It's a little fresh. But when you blend it with something salty, it tastes good. Can't have me hand over the food. Pepper.
Pepper?
Cooking the pepper.
One fault you have.
are people with food. Yes.
People love pepper food.
No.
But can't cook. People can't cook salt food. Because they use of salt.
People who can't.
Salt.
Somebody asked me if when me I cook chicken or oxtail, if me put sugar in there. No.
Have you had to sweeten it?
Me don't know. Most. Me don't put sugar in my food.
Remember one time I used, you know. So I like
Eat and talk.
with me mash up my food, you know, I talk. I mean like my food get cold. Well, yeah. And tell me I youth. I eat this. Got bull beer out of my cousin them, the bantan them.
Right.
You know them man there out of 7 miles them live in a sea, you have to call it a seaside. A sea them man that grew up in there, you know.
Yeah.
Them man that dolphin, them man that can do everything in the water. You know.
Them are fish. Them can't. Well,
You
dolphin.
know,
Sorry.
call them man them fish.
No, sorry, not fish. Not.
I mean, I can't swim around either.
I can't bother. Like, I don't know if it talks anymore.
But anyway, go out there. I don't remember how I get. I think boat come in and I get one fish. I go call that fish. That fish is something we eat.
Yeah.
I get a fish. Nice size fish, but me from in the city, you don't really used to. When you get fish, I literally buy them and I have to buy fish. You get this one fish I know as a youth, carry it to home at the house, put it in the fridge. Plan every day I get up and I plan how am I gonna cook that fish, how am I gonna cook that fish, how am I gonna cook that fish, steam it. But for steam it now, I go want more things, I go want okra, I don't really have no money, you know. So till eventually one day I said I'm gonna make fish soup in bantan.
Also, so this you have the fish in the fridge.
Yeah.
Till you
And
have the
take it
money
out.
for it. Yeah.
Sometimes I take out the fish and I go cook it and put it back. The one fish they are gone for about a week, nearly 2 weeks. Me have it there, panda with it.
Put it in our outer fridge.
Yeah. So one day we decided, my bantan decided to say, that my cousin decided to we're gonna make fish soup or fish tea. He said, alright. So I come to boom now and, you know, set on my thing and I do my thing and, you know, put what we go in the water in a pot and thing and then now we come to boom now and put in fish now. My cousin will come now. Yo, you could put some sugar in it. Remember a tea, you know? A tea, you know, sugar for going in it. He say, you sure? He say, yeah, man. We see two of them man there, live at the seaside and then we're there regular.
Think
they think we could have take that from him, man. I think I was, oh, the man put the sugar in the tea, I tell you. And a little bit of sugar too, you know.
It's sweet, no.
Yo, as soon as that done, I'll take off stove and chew out, have a carrot and everything cut up, you know, with fish tea. I'll go sit down and this. So the first spoon I put in my mouth, I even see I look at myself. I even see I look at myself and skin up in face. And then same time you look at him and I skin up my face. Yo, I the most insipid thing you ever tasted in a food.
Mess up your soup.
Yo. I tell us, man, mess up my soup, mess up the one, you know, because I have the one fish that I cherish it.
If you grew up and use wood fire, you must know how to cook. I use wood fire right up till me about almost 20-year-old. So
if I did me alone, I wouldn't do that, you know. Can you come up with the idea and I say, alright, man, you're a fish expert, you know. Man, they grew up on the seaside. Go in a boat all the way, go fishing and them way there. Out of 7 miles. Bull beer. I fishing there the whole out there. So.
right.
No, the man come with the sugar idea and I say, alright. When I think about it, I say, man, you just sure? I say, yeah man. Nice, man. I did not like I want a spoon of sugar, you know. Sweet and raw. Get a picture of that.
Oh my God. Guys, when you boil the fish, you know, if you don't put pepper in there, that means it will smell raw. It will taste raw. And then you put sugar in there.
Or you just say, please, you can't put this pepper. With pepper.
No, pepper food. I'm not saying I cook with pepper. I just don't pepper my food. And sometimes I don't cut the pepper. It's just the green flavor from the pepper I use. Yeah, because I cook my meat, I drop a green pepper in there, I don't cut it. Or I cook rice and peas, or I cook soup, I drop a green pepper in there. So I use pepper, it's just that I don't cut up pepper in a food. No.
So when me I cook,
So I don't like when you cook.
I can't cook. I don't cut up pepper in a food. But yeah, eat it same way though. I don't eat pepper, you mash it up same way. And I complain.
And it a bun out my chest plate.
Still I mash it up, man. Even though it pepper is nice same way. When you eat breakfast, you don't drink tea meantime. And when you're done, you drink your tea.
I drink my tea afterward. So like, me always think say, if me eat anything greasy, when me drink the tea, all of the grease gone down off of my chest, it not stay there, because if you cannot wash one pot and see too much grease in a pot and you put hot water in the pot and you see how the hot water melt with the grease. See, I feel like the hot tea I gonna melt it down and I make it settle up here, so up on my chest.
So your chest a pot? It's a pot chest, yeah.
I know pot chest, but
Now you're bang, bang, bang.
But I'm not saying, like, you understand what I'm saying.
You have to understand when you eat food.
Foodie. Keep on putting my hand in front of my food. Food tastes good.
It must taste good, I mean cook it.
Really? You. But you alone, no breakfast to make this morning. You would have maybe come cut up one sardine or two sardine. And cut up onion and pepper in there and eat it with crackers. Well, like you Saturday morning breakfast that, but you're
The next time I see you, the food and bribe me. For
yeah, I'm not in the mood.
for the, what bribe me now? Vlog?
Vlog?
A vlog this?
Yes.
For vlog?
But that's not true. Saturday morning, I don't have no time for make the breakfast. Because we're very busy. So, Sunday morning, I'm not busy. So
You're busy in the early part, that morning.
Busy though. Busy though.
So you don't know, you never did it? You never busy too?
What are busy though? You tell me.
Where is that?
See, you have a big old pear and something in your plate, see me?
I'm really fancy that pear.
You better eat it. No, do it. It tastes really nice. $4 pear for the pear. $4.
But sweet to the mouth, bitter to the belly.
This is food.
This is food. F-U-D-E, food.
F-O-O-D.
That's another when I eat now. I eat F-U-D-E.
Yeah, it's part of food.
Yeah. Food. Mash up another sandwich, you know?
It's so good, yo. Give me a little piece of bread then.
Could you just...
You don't want a slice of bread. Just no little piece, rough piece at the end.
Piece at the back.
Yeah. Thank you.
Do that for that.
Want $2 for your bread back?
Mm-hmm.
Jesus.
I'm afraid.
It's too much, you know.
Excuse me.
Boss gas.
Food digest already. Wait.
Come on there, though. Mash up the pear on the bread. So we used to do when we were picnic, you know. Pack up the pear.
Still picnic.
I am.
This is where the pants that with the ribbon on it.
No, I don't. What pantry?
With ribbon. Pick the pants, you know, and I picnic.
Oh yeah. An eye back or something.
You still wear them?
I'm gonna go live on YouTube one day.
Why?
Because it's good to go live. Now entertain your audience.
Talk about life and entertain the audience.
Interact with them.
Yeah, good. You know that.
Oh, shy? Right.
Why me shy? Come and buy you sweet breadfruit.
Breadfruit make you coward.
So what time am I going to eat this one?
No, I don't.
You? You're fat for liver, huh?
I don't know.
Yeah, I'm fat for liver, I too.
Well,
I got this, man.
callaloo, yes?
If I drop on the floor, I could eat a piece of bread with it.
You know, right just on my head when I'm there, right just so. Always look like me put a pod right there, so in my head. You see?
Like one lane.
I mean, I put a pod there, you know. I mean, notice it all the time.
Like one little lane, like, you walk they go suck it.
Maybe I did reflect from the light that caused it. That light.
Let me see that.
It's true. See?
It's on the partner in the man.
Maybe I did reflect from the light, man. It's true. Mine, turn it back.
I use some of the comfort.
Really?
Sometimes I use some carrot and blow outside. I think I use them and complain.
What am I come to me for?
And then cold, and one blow the hand.
What am I come to me for?
There never been things.
Like what?
Things.
Things like what? So me not have you. So me go into things with somebody for me. Can go into things with you?
The white carrot and I feel always a blow at my gate.
Oh my god.
And then me. Sometimes I go look out and say, alright, and I'm me. And it's you. And I'm blowing a code too, you know. Sometimes you're upstairs. He said sometimes when you're upstairs, you just give them the signal. I'm there.
Well, on a Sunday, some know that tell them say don't come on a Saturday and a Sunday. You would have been so full. Make them come up on Saturday and Sunday.
I'm not even fool. I'm
Oh, they can't wait to see me, not true? So then just...
I don't know what it is. You tell them, sir. However you get them. I feel like alone. Because my appetite is my cut.
No, so we can't bother. So I take up your car manage.
Left it alone.
Eat the pear.
The $20 me eat it.
I get $20 eat it.
This leave. You should give me $20 me eat it.
I get the 20.
Don't fit and give me no.
No man. I'm going to spend the money there now.
I make a chicken. Let it out, man. You just squeeze it, boy. Let it out.
No, so can't bother.
Let belts be free.
Like Merrily, I kill Merrily.
Fuck, merely.
Alright guys, we're wrapping up this video and we will see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you don't already subscribe. We are out. Babes, you have on your ring? Guys, when I ever seen a ring before?
Ring.
Yeah.
Weird. Don't feel like weird.
Every day I wear my ring like me a papi show, but you know, wear female every day. It a go stay up on it, and when you think, put in the comment section below if you think say it will stay up on your finger.
The less you wear your ring, the longer it lasts.
You know, I'm gonna talk a topic about this ring right now. Alright, we will see you in the next one, guys, because this video is way too long. You have something to tell the people?
As usual, you notice when you watch the video, then but you don't comment. You don't comment. I want to comment, like, and share.
Bye, guys.
Sharing is caring. Remember that.